こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Moo is going to make quick and easy Yangnyeom Udon. This sweet, sour and spicy Korean style udon is incredibly easy to make and so delicious. Just mix the sauce in a bowl and coat udon noodles with it. It will be ready in less than 10 minutes. Yangnyeom means seasoned in Korean, and this yummy red sauce is made with Gochujang, which is Korean sweet and spicy chili paste, ketchup, garlic, sesame oil, and soy sauce. It's seriously Moorish. Okay, let's get started. In a bowl, place 2 teaspoons of gochujang, 2 teaspoons of ketchup, a quarter teaspoon of grated garlic, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and mix. Now, prepare udon noodles. Moo prefers to use frozen pre-cooked udon noodles for this recipe because they have a great springy texture and pair well with the sauce. Add the frozen udon noodles straight to a pot of boiling water. Bring it back to a boil and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Drain with a colander. Then add the udon noodles to the bowl with the sauce and toss to cold. Transfer the noodles to a serving bowl. And if you want to dress up the dish a bit, top with some salad leaves, chopped spring onions, and sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds. Dekita! Moo, how does it taste? Okay, Moo said. It bursts with sweet, spicy and savoury flavours. The gochujang gives it a nice kick, balanced by rich sesame oil and soy sauce. The soft, springy udon noodles perfectly match the sauce. It's a quick and simple dish, but incredibly satisfying with bold, addictive flavors. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね